Hey everybody, this is my GoPro Hero 4. Yes, this camera is old. It is 2022. And you're wondering why I still got this camera. I love this camera. And plus I have a lot of accessories because I have a battery pack to this that still works. So that's the reason why I did not get rid of this. So that's why. And it still works. So this still is a good camera. But here's the thing though. This was the case that came with the camera when I bought it in 2015. And guess what? The thing broke. The thing to lock it in, it broke. So, yeah, so y'all know what this video is about to be about. We bought a new one. Now, remember that this is 2022. They don't make this. GoPro doesn't make this case anymore for this kind of camera. So I had to go to eBay, Amazon, and buy one, an off-brand one. So let's look at this off-brand one. Let me see what's this other thing. Is this? Oh, adhesive stuff. Let's throw that to the side. And let's unbox this. We're going to do every kind of test to see how good this case is. Just don't buy a case and think, oh, well, you know, we're going to take everything, you know. Okay, here you go. Look at it. I'm going to take this. Let's take this off. If I can unscrew it. Hold on. Okay, I had to use my pliers to pull this. We're going to pull this one off. We're going to take this one off. Ooh, it's squeaky. Squeaky deaky. Now, some people go, why do you keep old cameras? Old cameras are still good. Old cameras are still good. Put that one there. And take this one off from the GoPro. I have to throw this case away because it's no good. And put this on the new one. Uh-oh. Oh, there it go. Let me see in the sun. Will it feel that fit? Oh, I know why it won't fit. Okay. Okay. Reason why this is not going to fit this new one is because this goes to my Hero God dang it. To my Hero 7. Let me get that one. Yeah, it goes to the Hero 7. It's stuck on it's stuck on the Hero 7 because I've been using a little tripod thing that will fit this old mount. Because the new mounts to these new cameras, it won't fit it. This mount won't fit the not this one. This won't fit the like a tripod thing. This won't, because the thing is old from GoPro. So what you do is you gotta put this one on this. Okay, there we go. There we go. And now. Oh, there you go. Okay, so you got your GoPro hook onto an off-brand case. Or the more likely this could be GoPro casing. Okay, what the hell? Oh man, this came off. Shoot. So I don't know how that could have happened. Oops. So I'm doing a lot of work here because the nut came off. So what I'm gonna have to do is, let me see. This is gonna end up a long video because I have to fix this now. Okay, so we're gonna have to pull this back off. I don't know how that could have broken off, and this is a GoPro one. Ugh. How did it fall off? Did anything else break off? No, that was it. Oops. Some weird reason now this is not working. What the hell? Hold on, because we are... Okay, I pushed it back in. That's all. You have to push it back in. I hope it's good. Now let's get this back together here. I'm going to put this on. Okay, and I got to use one of these. Let's see which one we're going to use here. Oh, that's how it ended up coming off. That's how it come because I pushed this. I pushed this into this. Don't do that. And then just tighten it up. Tighten it up. Boom. Now it's in there. Now it's tight. I'm not gonna loose it. Unloosen it and tighten it. So, okay, now this is the new case that came in, so I just want to put this GoPro thing on. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's take it off. See, this is what I don't. Ooh. Oh, that hurts. This is what I never liked about this. Because this breaks easily. And look at that. It done came off. Hold on, let me put it together. Okay, guys, y'all can clown me now. Y'all can clown me, because I know y'all going to do that. Y'all going to clown me. So go ahead and clown me from what I'm about to say. What the fuck was I thinking? Why did I buy this? And now when I just found out, I didn't need to buy this whole case. $15 though. I should have bought this piece right here. Because this, let me show y'all. This broke. This piece broke. The original GoPro piece broke. So I know everybody can say, well, you could have gone to eBay and got this whole hookup thing. This and the hookup like this off of eBay or Amazon instead of buying a whole new case. Because this is the original GoPro case and it works. Because I have to just squeeze these pins in and look. So I know everybody gonna say, well, you could have gone to eBay. I didn't know. I didn't know, guys. I didn't know. But I'm learning and we're all learning. So we know next time. Because now, well, at least I have an extra $15 water case. We're going to test this out one day. So we're going to put this on the original GoPro. Because if this breaks again, I'm just going to go to Amazon or eBay and just buy a whole bunch of these. Because these things are break easy. So I do it. Boom. See how they go? Boom. This is what I don't like about this, though. It's how you have to snap this thing off. And it hurts and it's hard. See? And that's how these things break. So, this is the original GoPro case. So we can put the camera back in it. And boom. We got the GoPro back into its original case. So now, let's take this back off. Now, I know some people are going to say, why still I need to test this water one? We don't need to because we just going to put the GoPro camera back into its original case. And now, if I have time, when I get some time and stuff, what we'll do is we'll buy another one of those things and put it on this one. So I have 2 water cases. You get what I'm saying? So we'll have 2 water cases. So let's put this back on this original mount. And then get one of our thumb things. Oops, thing fell out. You can't be pushing it directly in there because it will fall off. No, let's see. I don't know why this thing comes off. This don't make no sense. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to hold it easy in it. Ease it. Okay, and now slowly and tighten it. Then it's back to normal. It's the back of old GoPro case. And yeah. So I know this video took a long time. It's stupid now because now I know y'all gonna say you can buy this piece off of Amazon or eBay. So that's what I'm gonna do to replace. So, well, now since it's on the original GoPro case, that's good. Well, at least we have an extra $15 case here. Put it back in this box. Put this thing back on there. And what is this one? This goes to the 7. This one goes to my 7. So let's put the thing on it. No, put it back onto the 7 and stuff. And I have to undo this because I got to wipe it down. Because I got a, what's called a fiber cloth. Always get you a fiber cloth so you can wipe your lens and stuff. Because those fiber cloths work real well. Come on, 7. See, they put a more durable thing than they did on this one. So 7, you have your hook back up. Your hook back up. You are back into your original case, but we're going to unhook you because I want to clean this camera real good. And okay, you see my 2 cameras. There is a third one. It is the Hero 5 Sessions, that small cube camera. We have that one. So go ahead and clown me because I know everybody want to clown me. Well, you could have gone and got this piece right here. I'm learning because I didn't know. I didn't know you could do that. So now, there you go. So